Hello everyone, welcome back to Hungry Man Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a root beet salad. And this salad, it's very famous in Russian speaking region. And this salad we call it vinaigrette. Before starting cooking, I have a special appeal for you. I would like to inform you all revenues generated from this channel is going to be donated for needy families in Lebanon for their medical treatment and medical supplies. Please support this channel by your subscriptions and share it with your friends and family. Let's start cooking. Today we need half kilogram of root beet or 1 pound. How we choose the root beet? You see that the darker is the better when you buy it. Canned green peas, 250 grams of baby potatoes, 200 grams of carrot, 1 medium purple onion, pickles, and olive oil, virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar. As today we are going to prepare this salad in two ways. One is with olive oil, another way we are going to add mayonnaise. Besides, we need to spice it up with white pepper, black pepper, and salt. Follow me to the kitchen to start processing this type of salad. Prepare your kettle with water after you thoroughly wash your root beet, and then you can immerse your root beet inside the water to boil it. Root beet usually takes approximately 20 minutes to be boiled. After that, we are going to add the potato and the carrots. We will chop the pickles. Now we chop the onion very fine. After we boil the root beets for 20 minutes, now we are going to add the carrots and the potatoes. And make sure that will be completely covered by water all the time. So potatoes and carrots need 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. You can check your vegetables by your fork. So we are checking on the root beets if they got boiled. So we are checking along with the fork. So it's going very easy. I think the root beet also get well. So I'm going to remove it, put it under a cold water, and then we are going to peel it and chop it. So we are going to peel the potato and chop it. Same for the carrots. So we're going to peel the carrots. So it's very easy to peel it, as you see. Just cut the potato in cubes and put it in the bowl. I'm going to chop the carrots. Chop it into a small cubes. Put it in the same bowl where we are going to mix our salad. I will add the chopped onion, finely chopped, and the chopped pickles. And I'm going to add the green peas, the boiled root beets. We are going to clean it and peel it. If you are afraid that you are going to get stains on your hands or your nails, you can wear gloves. I can't guarantee that. So dear ladies, if you are going to do these salads and you are worried about the appearance, so just wear gloves. I'm going to chop it in small cubes. And transfer the chopped beetroot to the salad bowl. All the vegetables are chopped, as you see, and now I'm going to season it with a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of white pepper and pinch of black pepper. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to toast the salad thoroughly. You have to mix it very well. After you mix it, you should keep it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours before serving. After we mixed all the vegetables, as I promised you, we are going to have 2 ways of presenting this salad. One is going to be now with mayo, and the rest we are going to dress it with the virgin olive oil. So I'm going to take small portion from here, add it in this bowl. So that will be enough. I'm going to dress it with the mayo. And thoroughly we can mix it. And this salad is going to have pinkish color. This salad can be garnished with the smoked salmon or any smoked preferred type fish. So this small model is done. As you see, it looks good and really tastes very good. Now the rest of our salad, the bigger bowl, we have it here. We are going to dress it with the olive oil. So I'm going to use 2 big tablespoons of virgin olive oil. After you toast it well, you can check the salt. If you like it spicy, you can add more black pepper or white pepper. Bon appetit! I'm having my root beet salad with mayo with steak. You can have it with grilled chicken. This is some samples on how you can really present your plate. Bon appetit! Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time in more informative videos. Bye bye for now.